thought I'd do this video on my typical everyday carry. I travel to a lot of different plants and factories, and most of the time I'm wearing this. Most of the time I'm wearing this belt. I always have my Benchmade knife. I think this is the Adams, and this Streamlight HLX in my pocket. I've recently switched from Apple Watch to a cheap G-Shock, a $50 watch. I just felt like years and years of wearing a Bluetooth device on your wrist just probably ain't the healthiest for you. I always have these items on me. There's some places I go, hey, I'm not wearing this, I'll stick it in my truck. This is always in my vehicle. I change the bag sometimes. I have a few different ones. Let's just go through it. Keys, first pocket, USB, USB-C charger, Apple charger, wall charger, car charger, backup battery. That's it. Right in the rain pen, a regular pencil, cash. I keep about 200 bucks on me at all times. Credit cards, Social Security, insurance. That's it in that. This is my quick access debit card, driver's license, sunglasses, which I never use. And the big part that I have, let's just do this one first. I say a quick to get through med kit, but not quick enough. I got a tourniquet, shears, bandage. I was training with that, that's why it's open. Tape, what is that? Stop bleed, and a host of other items. Wound dressing, triangular bandage, more dressings, cotton balls, what is that, a blanket of some sort, an emergency thermal blanket, bandages, and some more gauze, whatnot. And then last packet, pouch. It's got a little bit of everything in here. We got, I use these, I get low blood sugar sometimes. They're glucose tablets, a Surefire, what is that, I forget what they got, 18.3, no, that's 350, 850, I don't know, y'all know what that is. Two more batteries, blue force gear chapstick, a whistle, a rate whistle, help! Can opener, more scissors, lighter, zip ties, CR123 battery, more zip ties. That's a knife sharpener, a compass. It's got a few different things. I actually use it to sharpen my work scissors a lot of times. Nail clippers, another CR123 battery. I was hoping I had two of those, and that's it in there. I already talked about that. Belt, and then my everyday carry. a SIG P365 XMacro. It's got a Hollow Sun EPS carry on it with a Streamlight TLR sub. I like the sub. I have the other one too, the TLR7, and this one just looks better on this gun. I've got 2,200 rounds on this gun as of this weekend. My range has closed for hunting season, so I'm going to be doing a lot of classes, indoor range, and I'll be doing a lot of pistol classes. I don't really like training rifle in an indoor range, not enough space. This is a tier 1 conceal holster. Does the job, and then an extra mag. I keep regular full metal jacket ball ammo in my spare mag, and Hornady 124 grain hollow point, and my main mag. That's about it. I'll tell you, this optic, I like it. I like the full size one better. I don't know if it's my eyes or not, but some of my Hollow Sun optics, the dot is really crisp and like no blowout at all. And this one just has a little blowout. I don't have astigmatism. I've done the test where you take a picture of it. It's like a few of my cheaper Hollow Suns have like a real crisp dot. Like if you was to take a Sharpie and dot it on the paper, looks like that. And then some of them just has a tiny bit of flare, no matter how low you turn the dot. I mean, it ain't bad, but it's just odd that some of them are crisper than others. So load it back. That's my everyday carry. I'll make another video on more of a different mission type carry where I do open carry.